Hello there, my name is Mrs. Aurora Santa Ana and I teach kindergarten. Okay, so today we will continue our lesson on subtraction. But for today's session, we will talk about finding the difference. Okay, we will practice looking for answers in subtraction, and I'll teach you how to write a subtraction problem story. Why problem? Because a problem always has a solution, right? We need to find an answer to the problem. We will figure out how to write an addition subtraction. We will try to figure out a subtraction story, and we need to match the right subtraction sentence. Okay, so that's what's gonna happen today. And we always talk about this. We've been talking about the word subtraction. Say subtract, minus, and this is the minus sign, a one sleeping line. This is the equal sign. Okay, it says, this word says equal. Equal sign is the two short lines, and then this one is difference, the answer in subtraction, and this one is less. When we do subtraction, we get less, okay, not more. Okay, because subtraction is taking away, like giving away. When you share, you get less, right? Okay, because you gave away, so you lost some. But when we do addition, we get more, we collect. Subtraction is giving away or taking away or sharing. Okay, all right, so what do we do now? Oh, I have this. Okay, I have my board right here, and I have this. Let me show you first. Okay, this one I have my magnetic tapes here because I can't find my counters, but I have the tapes here. They are like squares. Let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you know there's 10. Now in here in the box, I will put some here. Let me put one here, and then I put one more, and I'll put one. Oh, it fell. Okay, so there you go, and I have 3 now, right? But what about if I put one more? How many do I have? I have 4, right? So let me put this here. Now I have 4. Oopsie, it keeps falling. All right, now I have 4. I have 4, so I'll count everything that I have in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the number 4. Minus, I'll put minus. I need to take some away. When I take it away, I need to put it in a Dixie cup, but I don't have my Dixie cup right here, but I'll just move it away. So how many did I move away? Or I can, okay, like crossing it out. So I moved 1, and I moved 1 more. So how many did I move away? Did I put away? I moved 2, right? So I had 4 in the beginning, and then I moved 2 away. Now what's the answer? How many are left right here? I have 2 more. Okay, so that's the answer. That's the difference. This is the subtraction sentence. Let's read it. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Okay, how about if I move 1 more? Is it still the same? Is this still correct? Not anymore. But I still had 4. I started with 4, right? But how many did I move away? 1, 2, 3. I moved 3 away. Now how many are left? Not 2, but I only have 1 left. So that's the difference. That's what's the new subtraction sentence. 4 minus 3 equals 1. How about if I put this back? Okay, let's start this again. All right, so what's the subtraction sentence here? I have 4. I don't feel like moving things away. I just want to keep them as it is right here. I just want to keep my squares in this box. What's the answer here? 4 minus, did I move something away? Did I cross out anything? I did not. So what's the number? 0, because I didn't do anything. I still have 4. So what's the answer? How many do I have left? 4 minus nothing. How many are left? Equals, I still have 4. There you go. I still have 4. I didn't do anything. So let's read the subtraction sentence. Go. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Okay, so parents, you can do something like this. you can draw it on a paper and have them like cut out some squares or circles or whatever, and then they can play the game and have them match the subtraction sentence with their shapes. Okay, so this will be a cool one. It will keep them busy. All right, so how about let's put it here and let's try to write a subtraction sentence. Okay, we need some words now. Oh, this is the subtraction sentence. We need to write problem stories, subtraction problem stories. Okay, so let's write a problem story using this. How many squares do I have? So let's start with I have, remember the sight word have. I have, how many again? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. I have 4 squares. You can just draw the square and then put a period. How many squares do I have? 4. Now, let's do this. I moved 2 away. Okay? I took how many away? 2. Okay, and away is a sight word. Remember the sight word away? How do we spell away again? A-W-A-Y. And put a period right there because a sentence ends with a punctuation. I took 2 away. What's the last sentence now? We need a question because it's not going to be a problem without a question. How, the word how is a sight word, H-O-W. How many? Many is also a sight word. So remember the sight words. So now we're using the sight words now. How many squares are? R is another sight word. R, A-R-E, left. Left is also our sight word. Okay, and how will I end my sentence here? What punctuation mark do I need? I need the question mark because this is an asking sentence. Remember? We always end our sentence with a punctuation. 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 This is a question mark, but I have a period here and a period here because these are just telling sentences or just, you know, you're just saying something, okay? So we just have to end them with a period, but the third sentence needs to end with a question mark. I have 4 squares, so you need to write down the 4. That's the number 4. I took 2 away. So minus, because you know when you take something, that's subtraction, right? Taking away, so you need to use the minus, not the plus sign. Minus 2 away, and then how many squares are left? So you need to put the equal sign before you put the difference. And the difference is the answer in subtraction, right? How many are left? You still have 2, right? When you subtract with a pirate, you always taking less. When you subtract with a pirate, you find the difference. That's a number 2. The last number 2 is your difference, not this one, because these are the ones that you took away. This one, how many are left? Okay, so this one is wrong, right? It doesn't match. So we need to make it right. 4 minus 2 equals not 4. You look back here. It's 2. You got it? Okay. Let's help me read the problem story. Go. I have 4 squares. Period. I took 2 away. How many squares are left? So this is your subtraction sentence. Does your sentence match with the problem? It does, right? So you can write your own problem stories. Okay, oops, got stuck. All right, you can make your own problem stories using these sentences. 5 minus 3 equals blank. I don't know the answer. Find the difference. What's the difference? 6 minus 2, 5 minus 5, 10 minus 3, 9 minus 1, 7 minus 4, 10 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 7 minus 2, okay? If you need more, you can do this, okay? Remember, we can write the subtraction sentences this way, okay? You do 8 minus 6 equals, the equal sign is that long line. You can do 10 minus 4, 4 minus 3. Whoop, it's upside down. 10 minus 8, 4 minus 2, like what we did right there. Okay, and you can do 9 minus 6. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. I have pictures here. What do you think is the problem story here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 balls, and I crossed out 2 away. I gave 2 away. So how many are left? So that's a problem story. Okay. Or I can also have these flowers. You can. What about a problem story for this picture? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 flowers. And how many did I give away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. So I have 10 flowers. I gave 6 away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So that's a problem story. So your subtraction sentence will be 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay? So practice at home, guys. It's gonna be fun. Okay? I want you to have fun. And this is the last one. How many trains do I have? 4. Did I take away anything? I did not. So what's the problem story here? It could be what? My brother has 4 trains. He didn't give me any trains. How many trains does he have right now? He still has 4. Okay, so you can say it. You just have to share the problem stories to your parents, or you can write it down. Okay, because I know your brains are big and you know the sight words. You can write your own problem story and just have to show it at home. If you don't know how to spell the word, you just have to sound it out. Okay, like train. Okay, just write the word, the sounds that you hear, and that's all right. Okay, all right. So I hope you learned something. So I said we will learn about finding the difference. Did you learn how to find the difference? And do you now know how to write a problem story using your own words? Okay, so keep practicing at home. Okay, and remember, subtraction is taking away. We use the minus sign, and we put the equal sign, and the answer in subtraction is the difference. For the last time, let's sing the subtraction song. When we subtract with a pirate, we always getting less. We subtract with a pirate, we find the difference. That's the difference, the answer in subtraction. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Okay, bye bye. I really miss you guys. Okay, bye.